To other political matters now, but moving away from the Parliament, because the case involving the former mayor of Morant Bay and PNP councillor for the White Horses Division, Hubert Williams, has been dropped. Mr. Williams and his co-accused were facing charges of assault and obstruction of justice following an alleged altercation with the police in Danvers Pen in St. Thomas on July 25. Now, when they returned to court today, the Crown withdrew the charges. The attorney, Deborah Martin, explained that before today's session, the parties involved met to discuss the circumstances surrounding the incident.
Time has passed and there has been a cooling off, and that these are also officers and individuals in the community who have known each other for an extended period of time. They have worked together as civil servants, community members, public officers, and they will continue to work together as police officers, as persons who work on behalf of the state. A justice of the peace was involved, a pastor, somebody who has operated a bus service in the parish, who knew the particular officer from he was a child growing up in the community. Arising out of that, it was recognized that with the cooling off and the acknowledgement of the misunderstandings based on individual perceptions about what had happened, born out of that discussion, it was agreed that the matter would be laid to rest. That having been communicated to the clerk and accepted by the judge, in those circumstances, all charges were withdrawn.